Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and I want to play. I have great colors, and I'm not sure what else is going to happen other than me putting paint down and then playing. I might start with a few and move on to more as I go. That's not coming out. That is pretty well empty. Okay, never mind. I will go on to the Folk Art Purple Flash and the Venetian Blue. And pretty quick, I'm going to start. That is a Decor Americana 24 karat gold. I'm going to be a little cautious now about not adding a color that will make a problem for me, but it doesn't mean I don't want some turquoise, because I do. And I'm going to just use the black in my shovel left over from the last painting. Actually, I kind of feel like using this tool too. I wonder what would happen if I did that. It's a little on the schmutzy side. And I do have my card that I'd prefer. I'm going to put some hot orchid in there, which is similar to my other quinacridone magenta with iridescent pearl in there. I want some more white. Do I want some more white? I want some of the blue I was using earlier. No idea what I'm doing at all, but I'm going to do it anyway. I've got a scrape dish. Let's just go for the whole end. Push some colors out of the way. Use the colors I've got spare in a different place. Use some more Floetrol. I'm going to want some orange, I can tell you now. I'm just going to keep cleaning off my card. Using a little pressure. Oh, I remember now, I wanted to use some of the Mysterious. Which is mostly a phthalo green with iridescent pearl fine in it, basically. I might want that orange sooner than later. I am going to scrape off my card and push it over the edge. Clean my card off again. Cross your fingers for me that I can get away with this. I want to put some white in there. Some more white. So that's one end covered. I'm still wanting some orange. Sometime I could just start like this, and when I see I've got what I want, I could just stop. It's very tempting, even now. And you never can tell what I'm going to do. I need a much paler pink. I think I'm going to settle for this seldom used, but often silly purple. How about having some more? don't mind if anything runs right now. I could probably drag a spatula through and make some cool marks. I could also dip my spatula, yes, right into the paint. And sorry about my head. Oh, darn. Right in your face. So sorry. All right. I like the white I have left. It's a problem. I still want the orange. I'm still getting away with this too. So there's over 91,000 of you guys subscribed. Thank you for subscribing. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Thank you for the thumbs up. I really appreciate the approval. It helps my YouTube standing sometimes, for sure. Sharing my videos is a huge assistance. Really appreciate that too. Checking out my Amazon link and shopping there, another huge assistance. That's where you can find my 2 books, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, along with all kinds of other really cool stuff. I really didn't want to go too awful far with this, but I'm going pretty far. So I guess we'll see. There's the orange I've been craving. And now is the risky part. Well, right after I get rid of the rest of that paint. I kind of want some yellow too, but I have a strong suspicion. You know what? I'm just going to use, well, I will if it opens. Nope. Alright. This one's open. Kind of want to take a palette knife too. I'm going to take a little bit of that orange, put it right there. Some more of that orange. It's different. It's really different so far. Makes me want to put black or purple on everything. Or just do that. Where's the black? I never did do the black. Not as sure about the orange as I was before, but it may come back around being something I like. There, I'm not hating on that anymore. Cool. A little texture goes a long way. Pretty sure I got enough paint hanging around. This, oh boy, okay. Yep. Time. I'm going to do it with my hair tool. because I can, the name of my first book. That's cool. I wasn't sure I was going to like those marks. And I do. It's not really as geometric as a lot of my geometrics can be. So, when do I call it done? I'm not sure yet. I don't want to put the basting brush in there. I definitely like some of these dots. And I like the lines. And I'm tempted to go ahead and just play with my spatula. So, almost done, I think. I'm going to put a little bit of white pearl. Anita's white metallic that I'm always calling pearl. I'm trying to keep my head out of your way too. The Floetrol I add in my paint mixtures will level the paint. So I can leave my paint heavy if I want to. I like to steal paint from one spot to another with my spatula. And make texture. I'm not sure that helped, but I'll make up my mind in a minute. I'm just filling in some gaps, although I kind of really liked it before I did it. So let's just put it back again. Now I often show you guys, and I'll do it again. It's not that hard to just take the paintball on the end of a skewer, which is pretty something everybody's going to have as long as you don't toss your skewers. Just move it around a little. This is definitely abstract expressionism, or paint doodling, whatever you want to call it. I don't mind a little canvas showing through. I don't want a lot, but a little bit. It will dry so well that you will not be able to tell the difference. And I've always been somebody who loved to scrape into a canvas anyway. I'll borrow a little paint from next door. I don't know what else I need, if anything, and I think it's nothing. So I'm going to say thank you for watching. If you're interested in my videos, there's 18 lists. 17 of them have 100 on them, and I'm going on 1,800 videos, populating that last list of 18. And I have topics and genre, and you can ask me questions anytime you want, including for links to specific topics. If you can't find them, please ask me. It's not that easy to navigate the channel at YouTube, in my opinion. So I encourage you to ask me questions. It's actually pretty cool. It's growing on me all the time that I look at it, but I'm keep thinking if I want some more yellow or not. And I guess I do. Now that I've put it on. I think I would have liked that to have been a sharper skewer though. I didn't put any green gold in this. And I kind of like the idea because it's been given to me by that gold, that yellow. So where is it? And why is my timer not going off? Oh, because I've got a minute left. That was interesting. One drop on, one drop off. Yeah, I like that. I like making lines. My hair tool. I wasn't sure I was going to like it, but I do. Actually, more and more. And this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida, telling you I do sell my artwork. Should you happen to be interested in any of that, look for my email address to contact me. It's underneath the link tree, which is underneath the video. I'm not sure about that last green, but if I add a little more, I should be okay. If you're interested in seeing what I have put my designs onto, check the Teespring clothing, all over print leggings and all over print t-shirts underneath the video. Yes, I'm going to smooth that right over there and steal a little paint. It's different and amusing. I like it. I don't have any red in there. The whole time I just didn't even think about it. Maybe magenta would be better. Nope. You guys take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. I will see you anon. Please give me a thumbs up if you like what I do. Please give me a thumbs up even if you don't. I love you guys. I'm sorry. I'm trying to be funny. So, thank you for all the donations that help keep me painting. Look for the exhibition video on the end screen of any video, and it will show you what the month's prizes are for those of you who donate through PayPal, preferably, or Patreon. And it will include the prizes and the exhibition video. Yep, I like the red. I'm surprised again. Okay, so I'm probably going to play with this for a few minutes after you're gone, and I should tell you that on the link tree you will find Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter links. Pinterest has videos and everything else I ever post to Fine Art America and Pixels.com on boards. And please ask me questions. Look for my community board on the YouTube channel for tomorrow's video. Look for Facebook groups under the link tree. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is for students. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and more. This is actually really so pretty from up here. Ha! And there are some cells. So I love you guys. And I'm sure I'm forgetting all kinds of stuff. But I probably have another minute. I told you about Amazon. I told you about Teespring. My Facebook groups that you can see what I've edited so far. Not much of them. But Expressionist Art Studio Gallery fans and collectors. Look for the albums there. And I'm looking at my crib sheet over there and I can't see anything that I think I forgot. So I'm going to touch up my edges and call it a day. And I'm going to leave my splatters in there because I like them. And that's it. That's all she wrote. I will see you guys anon. Priscilla out.